Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited because I have something very special to show you guys. I've got some brand new photography related accessories to show you. It's a premium quality monopod and a fluid drag head from this company called iFootage. The models we'll be checking out today is iFootage Cobra 2 monopod and iFootage Komodo K5 drag fluid head. They're very premium quality products guys, so let's get started with the video. So the iFootage Cobra 2 comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the iFootage branding at the top and over here you've got a picture of the monopod. It comes in red and black color and says Cobra 2 on the left. The Cobra 2 monopod has won the Red Dot 2018 Design Award, so it's definitely something special and I'm getting very excited to unbox and show it to you all. Now the Cobra 2 comes in a lot of variants depending on the height and the material used. It comes in either carbon fiber or aluminum alloy body with 120 cm or 180 cm height. The model I have is the Cobra 2 A180, which is the aluminum alloy 180 cm height variant. The difference in both the variants is the carbon fiber model can take a max load of up to 10 kgs, while this one can take only up to 8 kgs. Rest everything else is same. Okay, let's unbox it and take the monopod out. Let me just cut this tape over here. I want to thank iFootage for sending me this product for review. So the monopod comes in this sort of packaging, very nicely packed. Okay, there's a bag inside this car. Let me take it out and show you. So you get this awesome looking red and black color travel bag free with the monopod. It looks very good. You've got the iFootage branding here and the build quality of the bag is really nice. You also have a handle at the center so you can easily carry it in your hand. And there's also a shoulder strap at the back. Alright, let's open the bag and check out the monopod. On opening the zip, we've got some documents at the top. Okay, it's a warranty card, and along with that you also have a user manual. Just make sure to read that. And there's also an iFootage sticker in the packet. So these are all the stuff we got in the bag. Now let's take the monopod out. Oh, you also have a silica gel packet here. And this is how our iFootage monopod looks like. Wow, let me take this beauty out of the bag and show you. Holy smokes guys, just look at this thing! Beautiful! I love the black and red color combination. Just look at the finishing of this product. I have to say, from my first impressions, the Cobra 2 looks amazing. This is the Cobra 2 A180 aluminum alloy variant and it weighs around 1.5 kgs. You've got the iFootage branding here on top of the hand grip and the hand grip feels nice and comfortable to hold. Below that it says Cobra 2 A180. I would have loved to see the carbon fiber model. At the bottom part, you've got 3 red color metal buckles. That means you've got 3 height adjustable steps with the maximum height being 180 cm. And at the end, you've got a high quality quick release low angle camera tripod. I didn't tell you the best thing about this monopod, right? It has a unique modular design. This monopod can break into 4 separate parts and you can use them together in different combinations for different scenarios. I'll show you how that works later in the video. This mini tripod's legs can also be adjusted to various angles with the help of a push button at the side, just like this. And at the joint over here, you've got a ball mount with a screw to adjust the tilt angle of the monopod. We'll check out all those features at a later part in the video. So this is how our Cobra 2 monopod looks on the table. This thing looks like it's ready to attack any kind of situation you throw at it. Now before I show you all of its features and have a detailed look at it, let's also unbox the fluid head from iFootage. So the Komodo K5 fluid head comes in this sort of box packing. You've got a picture of the fluid head here. It has a unique bearing design to ensure buttery smooth movements. Even this fluid head has won the IF 2018 Design Award. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. The outer cover slides out like this and inside you've got another box that says iFootage at the top. On opening the box, we've got some documents over here. There's an iFootage sticker, a user manual and a warranty card at the back. And here is our Komodo K5 fluid head. It comes in 3 parts. This is its quick release plate. It's a very good quality plate, completely made of aluminum. You also have a 1/4" screw here to fix the camera. And it's got scales on both the top and the bottom part. At the top it also has rubber foot pads so it doesn't scratch your camera. That is very nice. This is the pan/tilt arm of the fluid head. The build quality is nice, it's completely made of aluminum, has a nice rubber grip at the end and a red colored thumb screw to fix it to the head. And here is our iFootage Komodo K5 fluid drag head. Wow, this thing is so sleek and compact, it weighs only around 760 grams and the build quality of this head is top notch. It's made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy and has a rugged construction. The quick release plate goes at the top over here. It's got those beautiful looking red colored thumb screws, gives it a premium look. The pan and the tilt arm can be fixed over here or even on the other side, wherever you feel comfortable. This is the quick release plate lock. On the left side you have the tilt axis lock, which you can tighten or loosen to tilt in the desired angle. And this is how the base looks like. It's got a 3/8" mount which is compatible with all kinds of tripods and monopods. On the opposite side, it also has a spirit level for quick and simple flat surface check. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality of the Komodo K5 head. Now before I show you how to fix and use it, let's check out all the features of the Cobra 2 monopod. So here is our Cobra 2 monopod. This thing looks so attractive in outdoors, it's definitely a head turner. So at the top of the monopod you've got a rubber base. This is where we'll be fixing our Komodo K5 fluid head. At the center of the base you've got both 1/4" and 3/8" threads, so you can not only fix fluid heads on it but also directly mount cameras or even any other camera accessories. I really like the way they designed this mounting system. It's a very intelligent design. And also I've told you at the beginning that this monopod has a modular design, right? Yes, it can separate into 4 different sections, so you can mix and match different combinations for different kinds of situations. And all of them have a quick release system, so you can easily take them out just like this. So here what you can do is, instead of this mount, you can attach another Cobra 2 and make it a really long monopod with 6-step height adjustment. That is totally insane with a maximum height of 360 centimeters. This is the hand grip with the iFootage branding. It feels very grippy and comfortable while holding here. The Cobra 2 A180 is entirely made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy, while the C180 is made of carbon fiber. The C180 is about $40 more expensive than the A180. Rest all the features are the same. These are the height adjustment metal buckles. They are of very high quality. Let me just unbuckle them and show you how long the monopod can be extended up to. The folded height of the monopod is 70.5 centimeters. That is when it's not extended. And the maximum height you can attain by extending all the 3 levels is 180 centimeters. Let me just extend it all the way and show you how long it can go. So this is how tall the Cobra 2 monopod looks like. 180 centimeters is very long. It's 1.8 meters guys, that is more than enough for a monopod. In case if you want more height, just attach one more Cobra 2 and you'll get double the length. At the bottom it has a ball mount with a screw to even adjust the angle of the monopod. You just need to loosen it up, put it on the ground and tilt the monopod in whichever angle desired. That is super useful. Just tilt it like this and lock it with the screw to maintain that angle. Let me show you the ball mount from a closer look. The ball mount on it is very smooth and almost frictionless. You can bend it from 0 degrees to even all the way up to 90 degrees parallel to the ground. The quality of the mini base tripod is also good. Even this is entirely made of metal. And the legs of this mini tripod are also adjustable. You've got a push button on all the sides of the legs which you can press to adjust the angles. It's got 3 different angles, 20 degrees, 50 degrees and 78 degrees. On the bottom side there's also a removable rubber foot that you can remove from this base and fix it directly to the monopod. This mini tripod has a quick release system which you can slide like this to separate it from the monopod. Super simple, right? Now you can use this tripod base separately and the monopod separately. That's the biggest advantage of Cobra 2. We removed that rubber foot previously, right? You can fix that to the monopod directly over here. So now your Cobra 2 has transformed into a super portable monopod. You can now shoot with it on the go and carry it anywhere very easily. And you can use this mini tripod separately to shoot some great low angle shots. You can fix the fluid head directly to this mini tripod and get some great footage with your camera. Now let me show you how to fix the fluid drag head on the monopod. It's very easy to fix it guys, just place it on the top and rotate until it locks itself tightly. Now this fluid head can be fixed not only on the Cobra 2, but it's also compatible with all kinds of tripods and monopods. It's got a universal mount. So this is how our final monopod looks like. We've got the Cobra 2 paired with the Komodo K5. Now that's a smoking red hot looking monopod. Amazing build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll just fix my camera on the monopod and we'll talk about the movements on this fluid head. Alright guys, so I fixed my camera on it. This monopod can take a max load of up to 8 kgs, whereas the carbon fiber model can take up to 10 kgs. I'm using my Sony a6500. It's handling it very well. You can use any cameras up to the specified max load. And now talking about the movements, you can do both tilt and pan on this fluid head. To control the tilt axis movements, there's a knob on the left side. You can loosen it up to freely tilt the camera or even lock it to any particular tilt angle with that knob. The movements feel buttery smooth. The control is great. This fluid head has a counterweight balance system, so no matter how much you tilt it, it comes back to its initial position. The same mechanism is also available on the pan axis. You've got the pan axis lock just below the tilt axis knob. You can either lock or release it to control the pan axis movements, just like this. Excellent control over the monopod with buttery smooth movements. I'll show you some video samples shot on this monopod. Just check out this video clip so you'll get an idea on the movements on this fluid head. So that was my review on the iFootage Cobra 2 monopod and Komodo K5 fluid drag head. This is one of the best monopod and fluid head combo I've seen till now. I've used a lot of monopods and fluid heads in the past, but none of them come even close to this. The build quality of this product is top notch. I love the modular design. It's a great multi-purpose monopod. It's very stable, sturdy, and the movements also feel buttery smooth. The Cobra 2 monopod and the Komodo K5 fluid head do not come together, you need to buy them separately. The Cobra 2 A180 costs about 12,500 rupees and the Komodo K5 costs about 13,400 rupees. They're definitely worth the price. If you're a professional filmmaker or a YouTuber, then I would definitely recommend you to get them. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check them out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.